One morning, Edward was at Tim's shed. He was waiting for a new engine. He was from the LNER like him. Ugh, I can't wait for that LNER engine to come. I heard he's an LNER J72. Oh wait, is that him? An LNER J72 tank was running towards Edward. I'm Thomas, nice to meet you. I'm Edward, and that fellow right there, 1020, or thing. Me and him are the only engines on this line. Wait, do I remember you? No, I don't. Wait, yes, I do. I do remember you. Hi, Thomas. Oh, hi, Edward. That D40. Yeah, I'm that D40. But when the trucks got to the bumpy track, they pushed Thomas. They said, on, faster, faster. Thomas didn't hear this. He didn't know he was on the way. So, no, help me, I'm on my way. Help! Thomas lay dazed and surprised. He was not hurt. Thomas and Edward were getting old. Edward was built in 1899, Thomas in 1900. And Bertram had bought 5 new engines. Their names were Derek, Alfred, 98462, Proven, and Jeffrey. One morning, Thomas was hunting 98462's train. Hurry up there, you little I'm going as fast as I can, if you please. You're not as old as me. You wouldn't know. I still don't know that you're too old to do any work. You should be scrapped for all I know. Well, the two were arguing. A little boy and his friends were throwing pebbles at the tracks. Let's get that blue engine off the rails, huh?
Bruh.
Thomas lay dazed and surprised, but that's a story for another day.